trying to manifest your dreams, more money, a loving relationship, your perfect job, but it feels like the universe is just not listening? What if I told you it's not your fault? In fact, you might be accidentally putting up a giant "Do Not Disturb" sign to the very abundance you're trying to attract. See, most of us are taught the what of manifesting. Think positive, visualize your goals, but we're rarely taught the how. And so we end up doing things that feel right but are secretly sabotaging our efforts. Things like focusing so much on what we don't have that we create more lack. Having a vague desire like, I want to be happy, but the universe doesn't know what to send you. Or the biggest one of all, deep down, feeling a little bit unworthy of actually receiving it all. It's like trying to make a call with a terrible signal. You're shouting into the phone, but the message isn't getting through. But here's the good news. The first step to fixing anything is knowing what's broken. Once you identify the static, you can clear the line. And I want to give you 2 free, powerful tools to do exactly that starting tonight. I've created a free gift package for you, and I'm incredibly excited to share it. First, you'll get a powerful checklist, the 7 signs you're accidentally blocking abundance. This is your quick diagnostic. In just 60 seconds, you'll pinpoint the exact areas where you're holding yourself back. It's an eye-opener. But a diagnosis isn't enough. You need a solution. So, the second gift is my most powerful tool, an 8-hour deep sleep meditation to manifest anything you want. This isn't just relaxing music, this is a direct conversation with the universe. As you sleep, it will guide you to connect deeply with the knowledge that you are a beautiful gift of the universe. Write your request and send it out with pure, clear intention. And most importantly, open yourself to receive the response. The universe is always answering. It might come as a thought, a sudden idea, a memory, or even a chance meeting with a perfect stranger who helps you. This meditation helps you tune into that frequency. I want you to have both of these, the checklist and the 8-hour meditation, completely free. All you have to do is click the link in the description right below this video. It's the very first link you'll see. Click it, enter your name and email, and submit. The gifts will be downloaded instantly in your device system. You can be using them tonight. Imagine going to sleep tonight not with worry or frustration, but with a clear, powerful request out to the universe. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling lighter, more hopeful, and with a new sense of clarity. This is the power of clearing the blocks. That is the first step to changing your life. Stop wondering what if and start creating what is. Click the link in the description. Get your free checklist and meditation. I cannot wait to hear about the incredible shifts you're about to experience. I'll see you there. Thank you, Vino, signing off from AVS Digizone.